Introduce highlight features or overview summary for FIOGOHUMI Michigan 12000 BTU portable air conditioner. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: Perfect summer companion. Equipped with an efficient and powerful rotary compressor, our portable air conditioners fight the heat like a beast and provide you unrivaled coolness within 6 minutes. 12,000 BTU cooling capacity, blows 7,100 BTU DOE, cold that reaches as far as 20 feet and cool for rooms up to 350 square feet. It's the ideal affordable air conditioner for dorms, apartments, campers, offices, kitchens, garages, bedrooms, or living rooms. It's more than just an air conditioner. With this portable air conditioners, you can get 3 energy-saving functions for your cooling and ventilation needs: cool, dehumidifier and fan. 35-liter per day dehumidifying capacity and bucket-less, self-evaporating operation makes your living space cool, clean and dry. A truly versatile AC unit, must-have in hot summer. Let this room air conditioners soothe your restlessness in scorching summer and create a comfortable environment while reading or gaming. Lower noise, more serenity. Quality compressor and several layers silencer cottons achieves low noise level, which brings a comforting, cool, and ultra-quiet breeze. You can get a restful night's sleep instead of wake up in a hot sweaty mess. Reduce energy consumption with intelligent sleep mode. The temperature will automatically increase by 1 degree Celsius per hour. With a max increase of 2 degrees Celsius. Always sinking into a smoothing night of rest with this cost-efficient air conditioner. So easy to use and move. All-in-one LED display allows you to customize your comfort like 24-hour timer at the touch of a button. You can also operate the machine from 17 feet away with the remote control. Move it easily with 360 degrees easy rolling wheels and ergonomic recessed handles, portable for home, RV, or office. It is pleasing to the eyes, no matter what room you put it in will fit in with decor, simplistic and clean line design. Effortless installation. Just roll your AC where it is required, attach the included hose and window adapter, plug it into an outlet. Suitable window size, 25.4 to 49 inch, everything will be done in a few minutes and the next step is just enjoy the powerful chill. Also, clean the filter twice a month is needed to ensure optimal cooling performance. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.